In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to Claude AI. If you've got a document you want summarized, explained, or transformed into action items, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to get that PDF into Claude so you can start getting answers fast. First, open Claude in your browser at Claude.ai, or launch the mobile app if you're on your phone or tablet. If you're already in a conversation, you can stay there. Otherwise, start a new chat so your PDF and the discussion around it stay organized. This keeps your notes, follow-up questions, and Claude's responses in one tidy thread. Near the chat box, look for the plus button or the paperclip icon. On desktop, it's usually beside where you type. On mobile, it might sit just above the keyboard or in the toolbar. Tap or click that and choose Add Files or Photos, or simply Upload File, depending on what your interface shows. Now, select your PDF from your device. On a computer, you can browse to the file and click Open. If it's easier, drag and drop the PDF right into the chat window. On mobile, your phone may ask for permission to access files or photos. Just confirm so you can pick the PDF from your Downloads or Files app. Give the upload a moment to process. You'll usually see a small preview, a file name, or a confirmation indicator once it's fully attached. Larger files or slower connections may take a bit longer, so don't worry if it pauses briefly. If something seems stuck, cancel the attachment and try again, or check that your internet connection is stable. When the file is attached, send your message. You can simply hit send with the PDF alone, or include a prompt in the same message if you already know what you want. For example, you might write, "Summarize this. Extract key points and action items. Explain the methodology in simple terms," or "Create a study guide from this PDF." Claude will use the file you uploaded as context and respond accordingly. If you're working with a long document, you can ask for section-by-section breakdowns, or follow up with more specific questions like, "What are the main findings on pages 10 to 15? That's all there is to it. Open Claude, start, or open a chat. Attach your PDF via the plus or paperclip icon, wait for the upload to complete, then send your message and guide Claude on what you want done. With that, you'll be ready to turn your PDFs into insights in just a few clicks.